It's time to talk about some Predator mode stuff. It's going to be Pandora Box style. Stay tuned, let's go! Yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. Wicked family, it's awesome that you're tuning in. So in today's video, we are going to talk about the Pandora Box. So the people who are new to the channel, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, become one of the Wicked family and hit that little bell because you're going to get some messages from the future. But alright, so I just wanted to talk about the Pandora Box, the new version. Yes, it's not, first of all, if you don't know what is a Pandora Box, it's more basically a 2-player, 1-player, plug-and-play arcade machine. Pretty cool. You can play it with VGA or HDMI. Pretty cool. I did a lot of reviews about it. You need to check it out. But yeah, they're creating all new versions every freaking month. It is unbelievable. There are most, let's say, bootlegs or rip-off from original versions. And what I can see here, I must say the first thing that I'm noticing that this thing is quite expensive. We're having this Neo Geo version. I really like this version. Did a review about it, by the way, with the key 7 inside. But what I've noticed is that if you look at this versions, basically they're all the same. The model's just basic in sticker, a vinyl sticker that they slap on it. But the model casing, I like it. So, but we're having the Pandora 3D Plus. Yeah, we're having so many Pandora 3D. A lot of people are asking me what is the best version. A lot of people are so confused, and I can totally understand, because if they're saying, okay, we're having Pandora Box 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and etc., we can all understand, but this is a nightmare. Pandora Box 3D and Plus, I can tell you already, they have nothing in common, not at all. I know for a fact the Pandora 3D is a rip-off from the Pandora key, but the Pandora 3D Plus, I did a lot of course, a little peek. Let's say it says that it has full HD. To be honest, I don't believe it. But I noticed a picture somewhere. If I look at this, for example, if this is true, if this is the layout itself, this basically means it's just a Pandora Box 6 that they, let's say, basically ripped off and modified. What they mostly do is adding new games. I don't know, a lot of crappy games, a lot of homebrew games, and the most horrible part is a lot of games are not even running properly. For example, Mortal Kombat is running like shit, or I have seen some clone box that, for example, R-Type Leo, that it is not running at all or having a low frame rate. So there's something that is a little bit of a problem with these fake boxes. And as you can see, they rip off the Pandora Box 6 because we're having the search function now. So that's something that is very confusing, and maybe some of you did buy it or want to buy it because they have more games. But keep in mind, what I've also noticed with these fake boxes, if you're having, let's say, in Pandora Box 6, you can add whatever you want because you can just basically add files on the USB stick. And with these models, it's always the question. Some of these sticks are pretty naughty, coming pre-installed with games. Some of them do, some of them it's just a nightmare. Even if you look at the game installation, it's some of them have just the games on the SD card and you cannot reach or change them out. So, and overall, if you see this and you want to have my personal opinion, do I need to spend my money? They ripped off a fellow YouTuber? Yeah, they did, and the video is not even, funny thing is, this video is not even from this box they are trying to sell, so that makes it even complete. Well, they're saying this one has full HD, but if you look a little bit further, you see it's 720p, like the official Pandora Box. Funny thing is that there are not a lot of Pandora boxes having full HD, not at all. There are a couple of them having full HD, but most of them are 720p, and the cheap versions, the older versions, are, if I'm saying it correctly, 480p or something like that. Let's see, full HD resolution. So yeah, it's saying that it's compatible with your television, blah 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 blah. It says here it has a Here you can see it already. It has a 64 gigabyte TF card internal space. USB stick from Pandora Box 6 is normally 16 gigabytes. And here we have a big list. We have the 3D list. Let's see what we have. So what a weird part about this thing is that it supports PSP. But here comes something else. There is only one mainboard at the moment, that's the Pandora Game 3D. Yes, it's also a 3D version that supports 2-player PSP games. But I think they didn't have this little spoofing thing inside the Pandora 3D Plus. No. So if I look at this list, to be honest, I'm getting the idea that they put, let's say, the emulators of the Pandora key, because I can see we're having PSP, we're having Dreamcast, we're having a lot of arcade related stuff. And I'm guessing, and even Super Mario 64, because all of these games or the support format, or the formats they are supporting are similar to the Pandora Key 7. So I'm guessing they ripped the emulator from the Key 7 and grabbed the layout from the Pandora Box 6 and fused it together, or something like that. So yeah, I'm going to tell you, looking at this getting me a little bit exciting. I see here PlayStation 1, 2. So it's strange. No idea what to get, but nevertheless, if I find one, maybe I pick it up. That's the reason why I just want to do a talking video. There's a lot of support you don't see with the Pandora Box 6, but if you can end games, remove them if they're not working, for example. Don't know. It's a messed up, it's really messed up. We have a lot of stuff, and it's just a nightmare with the Pandora boxes. Yeah, it's a nightmare. But I thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell. It would be awesome if you join the Wicked family. And if you like gaming, don't forget to check out the Wicked Gaming channel. We're doing new videos every day on the gaming channel. See you next time. Hey, bye bye.